Hey guys, so you are going to be conferencing with me, and you're going to be sharing your vision. I'm going to be asking you what you want your project to look like and what specifically you will do. So, highly effective people, when they are trying to start big projects or anything important in life, they like to begin with the end in mind. And that's what we're trying to do at the start here. I want you guys to think about, well, what is it going to look like? Because eventually we're going to sketch these, and whether it's a video game and you end up doing little sketches to show it in your mind, you should already be seeing that. If it's a CAD or 3D print, it might look something like that. If you're making an app, you might have an image that you create. The app isn't created, but in your mind you can kind of see this. For the folks who are going to do animations and videos, you're kind of storyboarding it. So in your mind you should kind of see these little clips of what's in your videos or tutorials or animations. You have this picture, and when you come up today, that's what I want to hear about. I want to know from you what it is that you see in your project. Meanwhile, you guys will be working on, so you'll be answering that, but you will be in Infotech slides, and you'll be answering these 4 questions and watching the video that is attached. And then when you finish that, you'll be able to go on and do the graphic design levels. So do the Genius Hour draft first, QOD second, ITS third, graphic design levels, and be listening for your last name to be called for your conference with me. Good luck.